What's up everyone and welcome to another video. Before we start this video, if you like unboxings, reviews and technology related videos, smashing that subscribe button below will be highly appreciated. Apple may have pulled back the curtain on the iPad Pro 11-inch 2020 and the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020, but the unending nature of technology means that it is highly possible that the company is already working on devices that will replace them in 2021. All the things I know regarding the upcoming iPad Pro I will share in this video. As for a release date, sources indicated the release of the next iPad Pro version later this year, marking an unusual event with Apple launching two products in the same year. More recent sources have said delays in the supply chain caused by COVID-19 have caused Apple to postpone release by 2021. With all that in mind, the problem is not about further delays and changes. As of COVID-19, Apple's product production and supply chain testing is in flux right now, and it's likely that the new iPad Pro version will be even further postponed. Essentially, this means that the 2020 iPad Pro launched in March will be the only update this year, but a new model with more dramatic changes is likely to be released in 2021. The launch schedule for iPad Pro is shaky, with Apple releasing new sizes and versions at different points in the year. For example, iPad Pro 12.9-inch first generation released in November 2015, the iPad Pro 9.7-inch released in March 2016, iPad Pro 10.5-inch released in June 2017, iPad Pro 12.9-inch second generation released in June 2017, iPad Pro 11-inch first generation released in November 2018, iPad Pro 12.9-inch third generation released in November 2018, iPad Pro 11-inch second generation released in March 2020, while the iPad Pro 12.9-inch fourth generation released in March 2020. So let's see when Apple will announce the new iPad Pro 2021. Since moving to the Face ID design for the past two generations, prices for the 12.9-inch models have started at £969 or $999, while the price for 11-inch variant starts at £769 or $799. If Apple adds revolutionary new innovations that push up the cost of manufacturing, we will expect or at least hope to see similar pricing on the new devices. In March, Apple redesigned the iPad Pro with a focus on an improved camera module and the new Magic Keyboard, which also fits with the 2018 iPad Pro. The new 2020 iPad Pro camera includes new LiDAR scanner as well as 12MP wide sensor and a 10MP ultra-wide sensor as well. The 2020 iPad Pro carries both A12Z Bionic processor and 6GB of RAM internally. In several aspects, the iPad Pro released this year is an adaptive upgrade on the iPad Pro 2018. We anticipate a much more dramatic change for 2021. Now let's move on to the features that we might see on the iPad Pro 2021. With the new products reaching the shelf just recently, there is nothing in the way of accurate knowledge on what the next models will offer. But here are the suggestions that have started to appear so far, as well as a few things that we would like to see in the next iPad Pro generation. The possibility that Apple will not only implement 5G technology into the upcoming iPhone 12 models, but it has been rumored that Apple will also implement the 5G technology in the upcoming iPad Pro cellular models. It will help consumers to take advantage of the quicker network data services that are being phased out now with speeds that could even exceed their home broadband. Since Apple appears to be positioning the iPad Pros as alternatives for laptops, this feature will make it a strong tablet. With the upcoming 5G implementation, Apple is also expected to use Qualcomm modems. Apple is designing its own in-house 5G modems, although it is not expected that these will be available until at least 2022. The iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max may have moved to OLED displays, but Apple is expected to use mini LED technology in the new iPads. This aims to be more energy efficient and less expensive, and to avoid the burn-in that OLED panels may suffer. Apple's plan to launch mini LED MacBook models in 2020 have been already reported, so the displays in the iPad Pros 2021 will follow that route. We expect the flagship features of the iPad Pro model to stay the same as 11-inch and 12.9-inch models. True Tone for color temperature changes, ProMotion for 120Hz refresh rates, and Liquid Retina quality. As with every new generation, there is no doubt that the 2021 version will arrive with the latest Apple chip. Since the new iPad Pros are launched, the introduction of the A12Z processors shocked us. This was the first time we have seen the Z tag. That may now be the label given to the Pro range, and in the latest models, we can see the A13Z. Whatever chips Apple wants to use, we are confident that they will be delivering some of the maximum performance around. Face ID is fantastic, but some people like Touch ID's interactive design. Plus, it doesn't need a set of special cameras to function. The inclusion of Touch ID on a device has also required a physical button area for the fingerprint sensor. But as other manufacturers such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and Huawei prove, you can now put them under the screen. Adopting this technology on the iPad Pros could allow Apple to reduce bezels further, allowing more display for the user with no increase in device size. Folding displays are one of the most popular tech, with companies working constantly to master the competitive environment. We have already seen the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, Microsoft Neo, and Huawei Mate X. It has been confirmed that Apple has licensed numerous bending and flipping screens, so maybe they are planning to wipe out the market once again with an iPad which can double its size by unfolding. These are all the rumors regarding the upcoming iPad Pro by Apple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza, this is TechFilter, and I'll catch you in the next one.